Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about shedding and breakage. So I know a lot of people have been experiencing their hair breaking off, or when they brush their hair they just get like loads of clumps of hair. And I'm just gonna go into a little bit of detail about it, give you guys some insight, hopefully it'll help you. And yeah. So shedding is actually a very, very normal thing. It's really not that big of a deal if you're experiencing any type of shedding. So shedding is actually a normal a sign for healthy and normal functioning of your scalp. So your scalp just naturally sheds hair. It just does that. You shed. Basically just nature taking its course. You know, you shed hair. It's like animals shedding their skin. It's a normal thing. Or dogs when they shed hair. It's normal. Your hair sheds. The only thing when it gets very serious though is when you notice that shedding is actually accounting to your hair loss. So if you notice that you're losing hair rather than regaining hair or even retaining hair, then you're shedding too much. So notice the more you shed your hair, instead of your length staying the same because it's growing, it's shortening your hair. So when it gets to that point that it's something serious, you need to contact your GP, see your doctor, anything, you know, that's a medical issue. Most shedding does come because of stress. You might experience shedding, hormones, pregnancy, maybe the pill, you know, there's loads of different things for why you might experience excessive shedding. But shedding is normal. It's nothing serious. It's nothing you should really worry about, concern yourself with, to be honest. It's a completely normal thing. It's only, I guess you should only really worry about it is when it's accounting to hair loss. It's when it's affecting your hair, you know, how you're losing your hair and stuff like that. So other than that, shedding's not a big deal. So breakage. Breakage is a little bit more serious because breakage, to be honest, everyone's gonna experience breakage. Everyone experiences breakage, and if you don't experience breakage, boy, you're taking good care of your hair. But yeah, breakage is normal. Well, not yeah, because everyone experiences it, so I guess breakage is normal. It's not a good thing, but it's normal. So breakage is basically broken hair, which is caused from mishandling or abusing your hair. And abusing is a very serious word, and I'm sure no one's abusing their hair. Like, I don't abuse my hair. Sometimes it needs to be abused because, you know, I grew you and you just don't listen to me. Anyways, but yeah, mishandling and abusing your hair. By abuse, I guess it's just excessive force. Like if you're brushing your hair too, you're manhandling your hair too roughly, you're abusing it. That can cause breakage. So brushing your hair too forcefully, you know, manhandling your hair, being rough with your hair, you can cause breakage. Excuse me, not detangling your hair can cause breakage. Obviously knots and stuff that can cause breakage. Dry hair can cause breakage. You know, if you don't moisturize your hair enough and it gets dry, it will break. It's getting broken, it's breaking apart. Breakage. Split ends is also a type of breakage. Heat damage, breakage. Because yeah, anything bad, anything that your hair just isn't, it's bad, it's breakage. So ways to prevent breakage. Protein treatments. Do protein treatments. It strengthens your hair. It feeds your hair, moisturizes your hair. Do protein treatments. Moisturize your hair. So when people say moisturize your hair, I guess some think it's just, you know, you know, pop some oil and cream and stuff on it. Oil doesn't actually moisturize your hair, it seals the moisture, but if your hair is dry and you're just putting oil on it, you're not really doing anything to it. You're sealing the dryness, you're not moisturizing your hair. Unless you're gonna do an oil treatment, then, you know, but if it's just, you know, your hair's dry and you're popping oil on it, you're not helping your hair, you're not really doing anything. But yeah, moisturizing your hair, you know, water, not just water, don't just add water, because that's it. That's just gonna dry your hair even more. Obviously, leave-in conditioner, deep conditioning your hair also moisturizes your hair, strengthens it, leaves it soft, you know. Creams, different types of creams, mustard, puddings, mustard's a hair cream, isn't it? That's cream. Anyways, puddings, milks, you know, they're all called a bunch of different, pomade, they're all called loads of different stuff. Yeah, creams helps your hair. I recommend doing the lock method, you know, liquid, oil and cream. So liquid, you know, you can use, you know, your average water. Loads of people just use water. I use water and leave-in conditioner. So I always spritz my hair with water first, then use leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner that I use is Cream of Nature's leave-in conditioner. I also, sometimes I use Beautiful Textures leave-in conditioner, but I don't use it as much. That's a cream form, whereas Cream of Nature's leave-in conditioner is a spray. So yeah, try those leave-in conditioners. They're the ones that I use. Oils, black castor oil, olive oil. Olive oil is a very good sealing oil. I haven't actually used black castor oil just yet, but olive oil is a good sealing oil. It's a little bit thick, so I feel like the thicker the better, to be honest. I feel like it seals it more. Coconut oil is good as well. I don't use coconut oil as much. I use olive oil more, but coconut oil is good as well. It's not as, it's more watery. It's not as, well, when it's melted anyways, it's more watery than olive oil, whereas olive oil is a bit more thick, but coconut oil is good too. Yeah, black castor oil, that strengthens hair a lot and it helps with growth as well. I do recommend using black castor oil, that's good as well. Yeah, argan oil is good too. Argan oil helps with shine, it shines your hair. Argan oil is good as well. Creams, I like using Beautiful Texture moisturized bar. That's pretty good. Yeah, so moisturizing your hair, deep conditioning your hair, detangling your hair, not roughly, detangle your hair softly please. If you have to finger detangle is like probably the softest you could do. If you know you've got a lot of breakage and brushes and stuff just ain't working for you, or you're tender-headed, finger detangle. So finger detangle, condition your hair, do protein treatments. But yeah, that's pretty much the things that you can do that will help you recover from breakage. Make sure you do all of that at least once a week as well. You need to do that frequently to, especially if you're trying to come back from breakage or counterattack any breakage, or, you know, prevent any breakage. Do that frequently. If you do it once in a blue moon, not really going to be very effective. But yeah, so do that frequently. Moisturize your hair frequently. Don't moisturize your hair too much. Don't protein treatment your hair too much. Too much protein treatment can actually damage your hair. As much as it does your hair good, it also does some bad. So too much protein treatment can actually damage your hair. So try to do that at least once a week, once a month even. Yeah, stay away from sulfate, stay away from products that are high in alcohol. A lot of products actually have alcohol. I don't know if some people don't know this, but products use alcohol. A lot of things have alcohol in it. Read the ingredients, people. Read the ingredients. But yeah, avoid sulfates, avoid products with high alcohol in them. That can also damage your hair. But yeah, pretty much if you keep that up, then you should see some significant changes in your hair. That's if you do already have breakage. If you don't have breakage and you just want to prevent breakage, then that should help you prevent breakage as well. So do that and you should be good, man. Personally, I haven't really experienced too much breakage. I guess it's probably because I do all of that stuff that I told you to do. But yeah, if you do all of that stuff, you should be good. Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll continue, you know, giving out some tips and stuff, answering any questions that anyone has. You know, follow me on my social media, my Instagram, my Twitter, my Snapchat. It's just, you know, Jazzy JJ, JASZIEJJ. Yeah, that's my ats for all of it. But yeah, let me know if I can help anyone, give any other tips and stuff. You know, I'm always here to help. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Please stay tuned for my next video. Remember, I post videos every Tuesday and Thursdays. And yeah, peace.